January 19, 2022. You guys, what I'm seeing is that we had a new seismic activity in the last couple of days. There's been evidence of a new seismic activity at the Island of Tonga. Now, scientists, experts stated that what happens if we get an asteroid that hit the Atlantic Ocean. This means the asteroid, if it's big enough, can cause a major impact event. Brothers and sisters, event on Earth and trigger a mass wave according to the scientists, experts. If the asteroid hit the Atlantic Ocean, a massive wave will hit the U.S. coast. Then after a few hours, the tsunami caused by impact event will reach other place on Earth, which means that if we get an asteroid that hits into the Atlantic Sea, we're looking at the whole entire West Coast and East Coast within an 8-hour span. And I believe you'll be looking at waves at a Fahrenheit of 300 feet. Waves that can travel 500 miles per hour. Fast as a jet. Brothers, sisters, I'm not here to frighten. I'm not here to scare you guys. But there have been multiple eyewitnesses experiencing, seeing meteors. I want to say from Florida, from Canada, from Australia, Alaska. Many people have experienced hearing these sonic bombs. I'm not ruling out a possibility that a meteor or an asteroid that can hit the seas to cause a major wave to hit the West Coast. But the question is, what had caused the underwater volcano eruption? And see, I believe if you get a meteor, if you get an asteroid, that pretty much can set a tone of causing a big impact to hit our Earth. In a matter of seconds, we'll get a tsunami wave that will affect the entire East Coast and West Coast. This is a heads up. Also, I have an update with Russian and Ukraine. Volodymyr, he still wants to invade Ukraine. And so NATO is saying it will be a terrible mistake if Russia makes. So I'm saying that with all of this going on, and we coming to a midst of it all, looking at World War III, you're looking at this Armageddon, and the Revelation tells us that a third world will be wiped out with something major. It talks about earthquakes, but it's also talking about these new pledges, tidal waves, and these phenomena of these unidentified flying objects as you witnessing. A friend of mine's, a good friend of mine's by the name of Nick Thomas, I will recommend you guys to go to his channel because he got an image of these asteroids and astronauts. He been capturing good image of these unidentified flying objects. So I want to say, if you got a minute of your time, please subscribe to his channel, because someone asked me, if we get a meteor to hit the ocean, what can that cause? You know, this look what happened, sisters and brothers, at the South Pacific Island of Tonga. Something like a meteor that can cause an underwater volcano eruption that had the weather advisory to set hazards for a tsunami warning. This is a warning, brothers and sisters. I'm watching it. You should watch it. It's a heads up. Be safe.